Hello dolls! Today I'm switching it up. I will be creating some happiness on our dresser that is in dire need of some organization. This video is for anybody who is looking for some inspiration on how to organize those easily cluttered areas in your home. If you're new to my channel, I like to upload a new video once a week on Mondays at 2 p.m. And if you like what you see, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content from me. This is everything I will be using on top of our dressers. I bought these two shelves from Michael's, and they were having a massive clearance sale. These were $19.99 and I bought them for $7.97. These baskets here I got from Target from the dollar spot, and I also got these from Target as well. I will be using these two planters that I bought from JoAnns Fabrics. They too are having a massive sale, and I'm going to set this on top of our dresser. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove everything off the top of the dresser so I have a clean slate to work with. Once that's done, I started off with some dusting. Here I'm just using my cheap glass cleaner from the Dollar Tree to touch up the mirror. Before I start putting things in place, I just wanted to wipe down the dresser a little bit, and I'm just using some Method all-purpose spray in the lavender scent. It smells so good. That's like my favorite scent from Method, and it just helps to make the dresser look more fresh and not so dusty. Here I'm just trying to figure out how I want the shelving to sit on the dresser. Now it's time for the fun part. Jermaine has 40 different colognes, and to be honest, I really did not think that all the colognes were gonna fit onto these tiny little shelves, but they did. So I was pleasantly surprised when I was able to get all of his collection of colognes into the shelves. These shelves are like the perfect shape and the perfect size. I'm so happy that I picked them up from Michael's, and I'm even more happy that I got them at such a huge discount. Again, they were $19.99 and I bought them for $7.97. Now I'm moving the rest of the clutter into the baskets. Fun fact, that gold basket that I'm taking all of my stuff out of is actually from a Bath and Body Works packaging from a gift that I received for Christmas this past holiday season. And although it does not really go too well on my dresser, I am going to hold on to that little gold box because it's just so functional and I love that color. I gotta have a place for my makeup. I actually don't wear makeup that often, but when I do, I like for it to be readily accessible. And I got that makeup organizer from Target Dollar Spot. Now, I was going to leave the dresser like that, but it still looked too cluttered for me. So I took the baskets and I moved them to our TV stand. And I ended up with a minimalist kind of style going on here. I hope this video was helpful. If so, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and choosing happiness, and I'll see you in my next video.